Welcome to today's meditation. And today's meditation is going to be focusing on asking for forgiveness. So it's going to be a guided meditation where we actually call forth the spirit of a person we want to have forgive us instead of giving forgiveness. And it's very powerful. And can you call forth the spirit of a living person? Yes, you can. All our souls are connected. So we're going to just reach up, sit in a chair, have a chair in front of us facing us, and invite the person in who you want to say you're sorry to. It makes a difference. It lightens, in the awakened state, things start to change because it's like their soul, on some level, received the message and knows there is a softness. So let's begin. This meditation, most of the time, we'll be talking. There will be a short time where you're just speaking with the other spirit, and I don't have my chimes because we had the office work done in here, so everything's a mess. But I will gently go back into talking when it's time. So let's get started. Take a deep breath and close your eyes and begin to relax. Take another deep breath and invite yourself to go even deeper and relax even further. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Notice above you, right at the top of your head and your third eye, is this beautiful funnel of light. I mean, it's like huge into the sky, into the universe, and it's just funneling in to the top of your head and your third eye. Let us follow it and relax and let go as it moves through our body. Feel it moving into your head. Allow your spirit to start to separate slightly from your body as this beautiful energy moves into your neck. Feel the relaxation and letting go as it moves into your chest, down your shoulders and arms, out your fingers. Notice your body's lifting slightly away from your physical body, into your trunk, as your spirit releases slightly into your hips, your thighs, knees, legs, and feet. Notice your spirit is slightly detached, not fully. It is always a part of you, but now it can move. Allow your spirit to move up through this light and out the top of your head, and ask your spirit to arise, my spirit, and meet thy maker. We are above, we are comfortable, it is perfectly peaceful and quiet, it is safe. There is such a loving presence, such a peaceful place. I know I am safe. In front of you are two chairs facing each other. Sit down into one chair and call forth that one person you know you need to tell them you're sorry. Whatever the reason, this is a guilt-free area. Notice the other person walking in and sitting down. They make eye contact with you. And for the next few minutes, we'll sit silently while you speak your mind. Be fully apologetic, ask for forgiveness, and listen to what the person says. Do not ask for forgiveness and say, if you didn't do this, I wouldn't have done that. Or I'm sorry, but. These are not forgiving words. Just ask for forgiveness for your part in whatever occurred, and then listen. Now thank this person. Stand up and hug them. Feel the forgiveness. Feel the love. Step back slightly. Reach into your spirit and find that connection you have with this person that is not healthy. That connection that was anger, that connection that was upset, that incident, and it's that part of the other person that you no longer need to carry with you. Just hold it in your hand and present it to the other person. Give them back the piece of their soul that they left behind with you, and accept from them the piece of your soul that you left with them, and bring it back into yourself. Now let us move back into our bodies with thankfulness and appreciation for this opportunity. Go traveling back down through the light into our physical well-being. And as we bring our attention fully into the present, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Great meditation, at least for me. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. I will see you Monday and hopefully see several of you at the show tomorrow in Atlantic City at the Atlantic City Aquarium. Chris and I will be reading the room. It is the Atlantic City tissue shortage, named appropriately because we have you either laughing or crying, but either way, tears are being shed. And we do go through a lot of tissues. It's a great way to meet each other from this community, as well as have the opportunity to have some closure around a departed loved one. I hope to see you there tomorrow. Doors open at 12:30. Show starts exactly at 1 and it goes till 4. There'll also be the radio show girls from, um, gosh, I keep screwing up their title and I can see it in my head, but I'm still goofy from the meditation. Susan Swinback, and Michelle Sullivan, and for Awaken the Unknown, duh. And Elena will be there with lots of crystals and willing to answer any questions. So I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.